Smoo caves. There's a lay-by in the distance with a coach in. That's full. I presume it's for this attraction. And there are some empty spaces here. There's quite a few steps down. And a toilet block, should you need to spend a penny. And that must be a taster of what's to come. These steps are incredibly steep. You just can't get a rhythm down them, like over a foot each. And I've got the sea just down there. An old winch. I'll get his first glimpse of the Smoo caves. You'll feel this bridge rock if you stay on it too long. I'm not sure what this is doing here, but it looks very shut. Looks like it's the Waterfall. It does look quite big and grand. Lovely entrance. So we've got a free entry to the waterfall. It seems to be raining inside, but that's the fun part. And I suspect this path is to better service the people who've parked in the lay-by, that we're going to return over the rickety bridge.